Are you trying to create a perfect CV or resume for Outlier AI or Handshake AI account? How do you create a perfect CV that will get you jobs, projects on Handshake AI or Outlier? Now, if you have been searching for how to create a CV for Outlier, how to create a resume for Handshake AI account, or how to use AI to create the perfect CV that will give you AI annotation jobs, okay, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to create an optimized professional CV for Outlier and Handshake AI. Now, this is going to give you the biggest chances of getting projects like Ether, Project Hedgehog, Hedgehog Ava on platforms like Handshake, Outlier, and so on and so forth. So guys, while I show you my schema as we get started, please, if it's your first time, like my videos, subscribe, turn the notification bell. I'm one of the people who's going to teach you how to make money in the AI space, crypto space, and teach you how to do it yourself. So please subscribe to my channel. Let me grow too. Turn on notification bell so when I post videos that make you money, you'll be the first to see that. And also leave a comment in the comment section. I will leave the link to my Telegram community and my WhatsApp community, where you can join members of my community to receive first-hand informations as they come out. So now let's go into the video as I show you how to create your own resume, so you don't have to be paying any person to be creating this for you. You do it on your own, or with your phone or your laptop, just with ChatGPT. So guys, the perfect resume, the perfect CV for AI jobs, this is how to do it. Let's go. All right, so now this is ChatGPT. This is where we come to, and I have a master prompt. You don't need to break your head. You already know what to do. All right, so this is the CV that we are going to work on. I'm going to copy the CV, but first I'm going to copy the master prompt, okay, in ChatGPT. Then I'm going to put the CV there, and it's going to synchronize it and give us a better CV. This is just a 2-page CV. This is not going to get you any job. Okay, so we are going to work on this, and we are going to get a CV that will get us jobs on any AI platform, any AI earning platforms. All right, so that aside, guys, if you have any CV, just use this. Now we go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste the master prompt. This master prompt, I'm going to leave it in my community. Okay, I'll leave it in the description of this video, and I'm also going to leave it in the Telegram community that you can just copy. So I paste it. Then we are going to scroll down to the end. There's where you can now put your own CV underneath it. Okay, so this is where they say insert your CV. So we're going to clear this place. Okay, we're going to clear it, and we're going to give space so that we can paste our CV that we are going to work on. I'll give space, then I'm going to go copy that particular CV and paste it right here. All right, let me do that. I'm going to copy it step by step. Okay, let's make it something like this. Okay, so after copying that, this is what we're going to do. Okay, I'll just copy this part, and I'll go to the CV. I'll paste it here. The prompt, I'll paste it. Okay, then there are parts that for the second page I'll also do that again. So I'll just keep underneath, and I'll go back to it, and this is the second part here. I'll just copy it and to this part. Now this CV is not going to get us AI jobs, so that's why we are doing this, and I'm going to put it back here now. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is we are just going to, everything is already set. The prompt will give you everything you need. Okay, and it's going to give us it's going to give us a CV that is massive. Okay, it's going to give us a CV that is massive. It tells us about your CV, then you're going to copy it. So I'll just walk you through on how to go about it. I'll leave the prompt. It's not just about using AI. You see what it added? It added a whole lot of it: LLM evaluation fundamentals, AI response evaluation, AI output quality assessment. It added a whole lot of things to this CV. Technical skills, things that it's not just going to give you other projects, it's going to give you projects that matters. Okay, the person's CV before, okay, you see the person was a cleaner here and there. It's going to make it in a way where it will still get jobs. Okay, it will still get jobs. So the education is there. Okay, it will enhance the CV to qualify for a whole lot of jobs. Then this is where it's a reference available upon request. So we go to Google Docs. We are going to Google Docs, and that's where we are going to now create our CV and save it.
All right, so I'll put and I'll paste the entire CV. I'll just paste it. Okay, you can tell ChatGPT to give you in a copy to paste format, and once that is done, you are going to paste it here. And you see it came out at about 5 pages, while the first person's account was about 2 pages. It came out 5 pages, made it rich. Okay, so I'm going to take out this. I'll take out that, and I'll go, and everything is done. All I just need to do is to save the document with the person's name, and we can now add it to our LinkedIn, the person's LinkedIn, submit it on any project that they are on. This is very, very simple, guys. Very, very simple. You don't need to pay anybody to create a CV for you. This is how to create a CV that will get you jobs on any AI platform, whether it's ChatGPT, whether it's Outlier AI, whether it's Handshake AI, OneForma, Mercor, Mercor, Alignerr, any DataAnnotation. It will get you those project jobs. You will get jobs on these platforms. Okay, so this is how to do it. I'll drop the prompt. Okay, this prompt is very, very strong. It's going to get you what you need. I've downloaded it and I'll paste it in our community, so guys, so you can see that. Yeah, so you can see I'll go to our community. Guys, if you're not in our community, please go join the community. I'll leave the link in the description and the comment section. Join it. I drop a whole lot of things that people pay money, thousands of naira, Ghana cedis to get. I dropped it for free, so I can just paste it here, and you can see the CV that we just worked on is right here. Okay, let me just yeah, that's it. So I can just load it over here, and that's it. So I'm just dropping this to see that this is what we have worked on. Okay, this is somebody's CV. Now, don't need to pay anybody. This is very, very simple to do, guys. I drop a whole lot.
All right, guys, so now I've shown you how to do this for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn notification bell. If you have a question, please leave it in the comment section. I will take my time and answer you. And if you're not part of my community, then you are missing informations when they come out first hand. So I'll leave the link to my Telegram and my WhatsApp community in the comment section and in the description of this video. Go there, check it out. And if you want to create an account, you want me to give you first-hand guidance, okay, on my Telegram community, you see my WhatsApp profile. You can connect with me on WhatsApp. You can also connect with me on Telegram, and I'll get you started wherever you need. Now, there's a whole lot of money in this space, and you don't want to be a latecomer. Learn how to do this yourself. Every week you can be getting as much as $1,000 if you know how this thing works. I'll catch you on my other videos. Don't forget to check out other videos that's going to help you out. Tell your friends about my channel. Tell them about AI. Tell them about making money with it, and I'll catch you on my other videos. Let's get this money.